Hello hustlers, welcome back to my channel. Finally, I have a new announcement to you guys. So I have shifted my office to a new location. So the city is Guwahati city and you will see the view is amazing. बहुत बढ़िया view है. I have a private terrace and I have a balcony. इतना सुकून लगता है ना यहाँ पे काम करके. You can like work the whole day and whole night. So I will make you sure that तुम्हें ये सभी जगह दिख जाए. You will see the whole office. But before that, let me tell you one thing. The story of coming to this part of shifting my office to a new one, and let me tell you hustlers that I am growing. I'm doing the stuff that I needed to do in my life, and I'm so happy, I'm so glad that this journey has been so amazing, so like a roller coaster, but finally I have made something significant in my life, in my career, and in the journey of my own endeavors on own life. So कहानी का शुरू होता है back in 2017. I was a depressed boy. If you see my Instagram, that is m_me_MEGHRAJ. There I have written in my bio that if you wanna see life magic, then wait for 2025. And now this is 2025. I wrote back then 2021 or 2022 maybe. I wrote the bio, and now I'm living kind of a dream in 2025. So it has been amazing. Whatever I dreamt of, whatever I wanted to manifest, and it has been getting manifested by me, of course. And it's pure of the hard work, that the dedication I have been putting on. And मैंने क्यों अभी ऑफिस शिफ्ट किया गुवाहाटी सिटी में? Because you might have, if you are following me thoroughly, then you might know that I have an ad tech startup called Sharpie, and recently we are expanding our business. We were based on Assam, if you know, and right now we are expanding our company to all over India. But before that, I have to make sure that everything runs smoothly. For that, I have shifted my office to Guwahati. And I'll show you, the terrace is so perfect. The terrace is so perfect. And once you see, you would not forget it. So I'll show you. And thank you hustlers, thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you hustlers for listening to my journey, for watching my journey. And I know you can make it. And whatever you have, whatever you're dreaming of, you can make it. Just you have to focus, you have to learn, and also remember, be flexible, and you manifest whatever you wanted. And now, so coming to this tour, let me show you what this balcony holds. So this is the back side of me. So let me show you. Can you see the view? And also I'll show you this is the office private terrace, and just look at the view. And you see the sky, the open sky. The most demanding need of an entrepreneur is that you must be able to see the open sky and this view. And whenever you come here, you feel like you are owning the world. You are going to ring the world. So this is the mindset you need. So guys, hustlers, I'll talk to you later. I'll be coming more often from now, because मैंने studio भी set up कर लिया है इधर. So that's why I'm telling you, I'll be coming more often, and you will be getting a lot of insights. So before going to that, subscribe to the channel. Is वीडियो को अगर शेयर करना है दोस्तों के साथ, then you share, because the journey has been so amazing. सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना, because I am going to bring a lot of values in your life that you can also make it, and this is for free. I won't charge anything. एक रुपया भी, एक पैसा भी लेने वाला ना कि कोई कोर्स लॉन्च करने वाला हूँ. सिर्फ I want to make sure that you get what you want as well. And I know hustlers, you can make it. Till then, see you.